Then let us discuss the structure of atom. From the idea of Niels Bohr and Rutherford, we came to know the structure of the atom. Atom is spherical in nature, but there is a center in the middle. The center of the atom is called nucleus. Around this nucleus, in some imaginary part, which we call shell or orbit, electrons are continuously revolving. Electrons are negatively charged, and inside the nucleus we have positive proton and chargeless or neutral neutrons are there. So these three particles are there inside the atom. Now the question is that how these electrons will revolve in a particular orbit, or another question is that how many electrons are possible to give in a particular orbit. Now this concept was given by Borsberry. According to them, 2n square formula, 2n square is the formula. We apply this formula to identify the number of electrons in a particular cell or orbit. N means cell number. Cell number. We know that first cell is called K, second cell is called L, if third cell is there we call it M, and so on. Now how many electrons are possible in the first cell, second cell, third cell, and so on? That one we can find it out from this formula 2n square. Now for the first cell, n equal to 1. For the first cell number, this is 1. So here if you put the value 2 into 1 square equal to 2. That means in the first cell, means in the K cell, 2 electrons possible. 2 electrons can be given in the first cell. Suppose I am giving with this mark, 2 electrons are possible in the first cell, means in the K cell. Again, for the L cell is the second cell. So n equal to 2 in the L cell. So the value will be 2 into 2 square. It will be 8. That means L cell has the capacity of contain 8 electrons. Minded here, K cell capacity 2. Less than 2 is possible to give here, but more than 2 electrons not possible. If it will come for a particular atom more than 2 electrons, it will go to the next cell. That means next cell means L cell. Similar to that way, L cell capacity is 8. So 8 electrons or less than 8 electrons we can give in the second cell, but more than that is not possible. Now what will be the capacity of the M cell? This is M cell. M cell means in the M cell n equal to 3. So 2 into 3 square equal to 18. So capacity of the M cell is 18 electron. It will be the 18 electrons. We can give 18 electron in the M cell. More than 18 is not possible, but less than 18 is possible to give here. So in this way, different cell has a capacity. First cell capacity, K cell capacity 2, L cell capacity 8, M cell capacity 18, and we can find it out with the help of this Borsberry formula. This is Borsberry formula. We can find it out number of electrons possible to give in a particular cell or orbit in this way. So by applying this particular method, we can find it out the structure of all the atom and how many electrons are possible for them in different cell can easily be find it out. Thank you very much.